In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Amazon affiliate link to your TikTok bio. To follow along, you'll need two things ready: your TikTok account and your Amazon affiliate link that you want to promote. If you haven't generated your affiliate link yet, make sure you do that first inside your Amazon affiliate dashboard so you have a full working URL you can copy. Once you're ready, open the TikTok app on your phone and log in if you're not already logged in. From the main feed, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can see your profile picture, username, follow account, and any videos you've posted. On this profile page, look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually just below your profile picture and username. Tap on Edit Profile, and a new screen or pop-up will appear with all of your profile settings. Here, you can change things like your name, username, bio, and in some cases, a website link. Now, what you see next depends on whether your TikTok account is set up as a business account or a regular personal account. If you're using a business account, you should see a field labeled website. This is the ideal place for your Amazon affiliate link because it becomes a clickable link directly from your profile. Simply tap on the website field, paste your Amazon affiliate link, and double check that the entire link has been pasted correctly. Make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end, and that the link starts with HTTP or HTTPS, so TikTok recognizes it as a valid URL. If you don't see a website field, that means you're most likely using a personal account that doesn't support a clickable website link on your profile. In that case, you can still share your affiliate URL in your bio field. Tap on the bio section, paste your Amazon affiliate link there, and if you have space, you can add a short description so people know what the link is for. Remember that the bio has a character limit, so keep it brief and clear. When you're happy with how it looks, scroll to the bottom of the pop-up or page and tap Save. Give TikTok a moment to update, then go back to your profile to confirm that your link appears where you placed it. And that's it. Your Amazon affiliate link is now added to your TikTok bio and ready for your audience to click.